beard became soaked with tears. Someone asked him why he was crying when the verses described the beauty of paradise. He replied, "I weep because I fear I may not be among those foremost ones." This is the humility of true greatness, the recognition that even our best deeds are only accepted by Allah's mercy. The secret of abundance, hidden in Surah Al-Waqiah, begins to reveal itself when we understand that poverty is not merely the lack of material wealth. True poverty is the poverty of the soul, the emptiness that comes from disconnection with the divine source of all provision. When the surah promises protection from poverty, it's promising something far greater than financial security. It's promising a state of contentment, gratitude, and trust in Allah that makes a person wealthy, regardless of their bank account. Imam Ali, may Allah ennoble his face, used to say that he had seen true wealth in the eyes of the poorest companions and absolute poverty in the palaces of the richest kings. The wealth promised by Surah Al-Waqiah is the wealth of the heart, the abundance that comes from knowing that your sustenance is guaranteed by the one who owns everything in the heavens and the earth. The middle section of the surah takes us on a journey through Allah's creation, reminding us of His absolute power and perfect wisdom. Then, have you considered what you emit? Is it you who creates it, or are we the creator? We have decreed death among you, and we are not to be outdone in changing your likenesses and creating you in that which you do not know. These verses serve as a powerful reminder that the same Allah who controls the most intimate aspects of human creation, who decides when life begins and when it ends, is also the one who controls every grain of rice, every drop of water, every breath of air that sustains us. How can we doubt His ability to provide for us when He has already provided us with life itself? The agricultural metaphors in the surah carry profound spiritual meanings. And have you seen that which you cultivate? Is it you who makes it grow, or are we the grower? If we willed, we could make it debris, and you would remain in wonder, saying, "Indeed, we are now in debt. Rather, we have been deprived." This isn't just about farming. It's about understanding our role in the divine economy. We plant the seeds, we water the soil, we tend the crops, but ultimately, it's Allah who makes things grow. Similarly, we work, we strive, we make efforts to earn our livelihood, but ultimately, it's Allah who blesses our efforts with success. The story of Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, illustrates this principle beautifully. He was one of the poorest companions, working as a shepherd before accepting Islam. After embracing the faith and becoming one of the foremost reciters of the Quran, he made it his habit to recite Surah Al-Waqiah every night. Within a few years, he became one of the most respected scholars in the Muslim community, sought after